Alright, so this is DMTK Nation, and it's just me and Dolly today. And today we're going to be doing types of laughter and sneezes around people. So let's get started.
Left in front of boys. Girls don't act like that in front of boys.
Laughs in front of friends.
Oh my god! That was the real laugh.
Okay, this is my laugh in front of friends.
Number 3, laughter in front of your best friend. I don't know how I laugh in front of my best friend.
Number 5. Sneezes in front of boys.
What? Number 5? No, we're doing types of sneezes. And number 1 is sneezes in front of like your crush, like in front of boys. Okay, you first. No, bad. Sneezes in front of your friends.
Just kidding. Achoo!
Then last, sneezes in front of family. Okay.
Child.
Okay, guys, so
Hope you enjoyed the video.
it wasn't that long, but
And it wasn't that funny. How I thought it would be. But you know,
yeah.
keep me posted. Subscribe, like, comment. Stop trying to get
Peace.
sexy.